Hi everyone, welcome. Welcome in the world of the automation testing. Here in this video, one of the most important and friendly beginner topic, browser control method in the Selenium WebDriver. This method help us to control just like a real user, opening, closing, refreshing and navigate between the pages. Here we are writing the class browser control methods. And in this main method, publish static void main string argument throws the interrupted exception. This interrupted exception we are right because one of the exception is coming, he catch the exception. WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. This line is launch the empty Chrome browser and driver.manage.window.maximize. This line maximize the Chrome browser. Okay, and driver.navigate http dot colon double forward slash www.google.com. This particular line launch the navigate to the Google homepage. Here copy this URL and here paste with that. This particular line launch this browser. If you want to get the title of this homepage, these are the title and this is the URL. If you want to show on the console of this particular homepage title, then one of the method we are using in this driver.getTitle. This getTitle method we are using for get the title of this Google homepage. And this getTitle method, the return type of this getTitle method is string. That's why we are writing the string and title is the variable. And and this variable store the title of this Google homepage. And if you want to launch the, if you want to show on the console, show on console, then we are writing the printing statement system.out.println and this title. Then automatically show on the console of this Google homepage. After that, if you want to if you want this if you want this URL on this on your console, which URL is executed, then we are use the get current URL method. Get current URL method, driver dot get current URL method is used to get the current URL of this Google page. And this also this get current URL method, return type of this get current URL is string. System.out.println curl curl is the variable name. After that, we are using the navigate method. Navigate method is alternate of the get method, but the function of navigate method and get method is different. Here, driver.navigate to http colon double forward slash and this is the site URL of Orange HRM. And after that, if you want to use the navigate method in your program for the backward, forward and refreshing, you you necessary to write two URLs in that. This is the login URL and this is the dashboard URL. Dashboard means the home page of this Orange HRM. We are writing this HRM Orange HRM login page. Here we are show. Mm, these are the login homepage. This username, particular username and password and login button. And another URL is this. But we necessary to add the this admin and admin3. Admin is the username and admin 123 is the and hit on the login button. Here these are the URL dashboard index, and here this also dashboard and index. This particular two URL we are working on that. For that we necessary to find the locators of that username and password. Find the XPath. How to find the XPath? Right click on the browser, inspect that particular element and Control plus F. The syntax of XPath is double forward slash tag name. What is the tag name of this username? Input is the tag name. Input and at the rate attribute name equals to attribute value. What is the attribute name of this username? Name is the attribute name and username is attribute value. Copy name and username. Then name equals to username. We are uniquely find the XPath of this username. Copy this XPath and paste within this username field. Driver.find element by XPath, and here name equals to username. In this portion we are paste this XPath. This is for the username path and all the XPath storing in this username. Then username dot send keys. Send keys is one of the method to send the keys. What is mean that send keys method is used to send the keys in the username field, and same process we are repeating for the password. Then we are also find the password by using the XPath. Inspect that particular web element and same process. Tag name is the input, attribute name is the name, and password is the attribute value. Same kind of process we are repeating again. Input is it is the attribute name in bracket at the rate attribute name equals to name equals to attribute value equal to password. We are uniquely find this XPath, copy this XPath and paste within this portion of this. Then this particular XPath we are finding, then all this XPath is stored in the password field. This is the web element, and by using the password we are using the send key method and send the admin 123, and same process we are repeating for the login button. After that we are finding the uniquely login button XPath, then paste this XPath within this portion and this web element. By using this element we are using the submit is the method to click on this button. After that we are clicking on this button, we are adding the sleep thread.sleep. It means on this browser top for 5 seconds. Then driver.navigate.back. This back is the method to go back to the go back to the particular URL. These two URL we are go in this. Suppose we are log in this button and go on the dashboard. After that we are using this back method to go back on this login, and here this particular method is executed, then this line is execute successfully run the backward method. If this method is not executed, then this program is not run successfully. That's why this particular method is executed, then on the console it's simply show that successfully run the backward method, and this particular URL is come on the console. And here we are adding this sleep thread dot sleep for stop for 5 seconds, and after that we are using the forward method. Go forward, where then where on the dashboard we are adding the backward, then he goes to the backward on the login page, dashboard to login page. We are adding the forward, then he goes to the login page to the dashboard page or home page. Automatically he adding the admin means username and password, and hit on the login button, and it goes to the forward. This forward method is not executed, then program is also the till program is also not executed. But this method is executed, then this particular kind of printing statement is executed, and show on the console get current URL, and here simply successfully run the forward method. After we are adding the sleep and quiet the browser. Quiet means close all the tabs on the browser. Here we are look at that what happened. Right click on this, run as Java application. Okay, here open the Google page. After that we are working on the two methods, login page and home page of the Orange HRM. Then what is happening? Orange HRM. Then we are entering the username and password, and go hit on the login button. Yes, admin top for 5 seconds, admin password and login button. Then go backward. This backward method is executed. Then go forward. Forward method is also executed. Then stop for 5 seconds and close the browser. Here, these are the Google. Here, this Google is for the title. Here, this title Google. Then current URL www.google.com. This is the URL. Here we are using the backward method. This backward method is also executed. That's why successfully run the backward method here show on the console. And this backward method URL is coming. Get current URL. This open source live. This is the current URL means backward method is also executed. Then we are using the forward method. Forward and get the current URL. First here get the current URL. This is the current URL index php dashboard index. And here after that successfully run the forward method. Here successfully run the forward method and quiet the browser, and quiet the browser means our program is successfully run. Thank you for watching this video.